Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is saying that you're supposed to make sure that when you are bad mind against her business, you can do the things that she is doing. She's basically saying anybody that's bad mind against her, hope and are throwing out the information to where her sheets are being bought and whatever, they can do the same thing as her. She said that she's been doing this for some years now, and she has to struggle to do it. She has to be pushing double doors to go to the um to ship them, to have them shipped from FedEx, UPS, or from the post office. She's saying she has to carry 17 pounds, sometimes more, And so she's saying to make sure that the people that are doing this, they're able to do the same thing when they try to push her out of business. But she's saying that, people should come over and purchase her sheets because she do have her sheets and stuff that are selling. So guys, go and indulge and go and listen to what Marcia has to say about this and more. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel as always, and hit that notification bell. Yes, you know that little bell at the top? Hit that bell. Yes, so that when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their wonderful birthdays, today is May. Yes, it's a beautiful month. It's a new month with new vibes, just everything new. So, guys, you know how that goes. We have to, you know, pull in new stuff and just do new things. Yeah, and continue to be happy. Yes. So, yes, it's a new month. So, I wish you joy, peace, happiness, prosperity, love on this your day. And for all my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my followers, and those who come to visit and look, yes, I thank you so much. And I love you guys. Thank you for returning all the time. And I want you guys to have a super special day as well. You know, keep that smile upon your face. And if you can put a smile on someone else's face, that's a bonus, right? So just do that and keep out of trouble. Walk good, live, love, and laugh. Have a wonderful day now.
Get it from. Nobody never do when me I do on social media like when me do 4 years ago. And me come on Facebook with it. Everybody carry and sitting in a yard. And me come on my big platform. Come sell things. I want to get the motivation to start sell it. I mean, I lie. Cause a lot of people call me and tell me, Marcia, I'm not going to lie to you. I am selling it too. But and I you may get it from. So big up to the people who can call and talk the truth. So who no can't stop me, who no too bad mind. Get to the sheet and go to go sell it. Some are come, go on. Go and go sell it. But no, no, tap me. You no can't stop me no at all. This is Marcia Everbless. The one and only. No boy and no girl can't test. No day at all. Me is one of a kind. If you want to believe me or not, the proof is in the proof is in the sheet and the curtain. And it's in my page. One small axe lit down the whole of una bomber clot. Una can't manage me. One little page with 40,000 people on social media. Me I the biggest threat to rat clot. What a thing. I want to have so much people. Uno have no whole people that go on a page. Uno should have know say uno don't have no value. Uno valueless. Uno come like a one plastic buckle where them put in a sitting for sale. 5 cents, you know what? Uno don't work nothing. And at the end of the day, I mean, uno cost and I offer video on a stream. When you stream a video and chat about me, how much people you get on the page? If you not chat about me, you not get them the views there. Marcia giving you the biggest view on social media. Marcia make you get the mark for make monetize on the page. Then who not talking about? Who giving the biggest view? You not call any other name out of social media. On a page not have so much views. When you call Marcia, everybody run come over here. Cause guess what? Oh, them threat is here. Oh, the only person we can chat up the things them is right here. We're not afraid to cuss a girl and a boy and tell them what to tell them. But you not come here be ungrateful. Buck up on you, but you're over there. but you play eulogy. Eh? Who you call in the name? The batty boy can't keep no eulogy. Even though you never call my name, Marcia, but me know say me a chat. Me go up on Facebook and me hear it. Now Sodom and Gomorrah can't keep no eulogy. You. Because if you're dead tomorrow, man, you're a batty boy, you go straight to blood clot hell. If you not ask God forgiveness. So no batty boy around here can't test nothing. Can't chat to me. You understand? Can't chat to me. Because most of you will come on social media and hide in the corner. And because if you look upon you, bleach out. And flamboyant. You know, your pretty outfit them. Now go on like say nobody don't know you. You live right round the corner from my cousin. You understand? You go to casino every day go gamble. You sit down in a bus and go walk. So I like say you're on top of England. You understand? You always feel like say you want to come on social media. Me no know. You don't follow Satan. You don't want to go in the darkness, go follow people in the darkness. Like them relevant. You don't can't follow people you can't see. That is one of the reasons why I'm not going to let to stray. The mark of the beast. The mark of the beast them there. The batty boy not supposed to come on social media and I go on like say them want to dominate we. Where we are carry children coming to this world. And them now push out no pitney. You understand? Them now give no life. You no see now lead down to the path of destruction. That is to show where the mentality lies. In darkness. Darkness. I see him think if a man come on and start giving us some money behind closed door in the darkness, you're not going to take it. And then get on a soul. Just like when you make YouTube money over here, so I take on a soul. Look how much people me up on my page. I mean, I come over here and walk this page. If it wasn't for Facebook, if you never call in the whole pound and get my page blocked for lying, for harassment and bullying. Because you feel say you don't want to get rid of me. But guess what? My people them still follow me right back over here. You understand? You coming right back over here. Me ever a trend. Me always a trend. For the truth. And the truth shall set them free. Me always a trend. Me don't want to call my name out. Me always a trend. Because when me come out here and speak the truth, me don't need to trend because me don't make no money. You wanna give me some money? Give me some super chat. You say, when you come over here if you listen to me. That is it. That is what it is. Them don't like to hear. Me's a blessing girl. The truth must set them free. The truth must set them free. That is it. That is the reason why. Them always want to block page. Can you imagine? You want to block the page where I feed them. I never see people like that in my life. You want to block people where I give them money. Oh, I'm supposed to pay on the bills. Eh? Oh, I'm supposed to pay on the bills. Me don't understand. Oh, I'm supposed to pay on the bills. Oh, no want to black people where I pay on the bills. I never see such. Oh, no see someone a baboon. Eh? The one person who are keeping a company at night time. And I give you a good sex argument and all kind of argument. Eh? The one person. None of them out there not bold enough. Because them don't want them page. Them don't want them dollar sign for have something over it. Them don't want them dollar sign for slashing a two. All of my video them we do over YouTube. Every last one of them slash. I must see 1 and 2 now have commercial in them. And I don't care. Because I don't come over here for that. I come over here for beat to nobody. Me there Facebook and my page is monetized. And me supposed to do short video. And me barely do short video. Because I tell you already say this money is to get to soul. You see, true me and an idiot, me just take time. Me no mind get a little change a month time, you know. If me get one little dollar, you know. One little $100, but me no run it down. Me no run it down because me know what it's all about. Because this money, Satan can't buy me. Because when you look at reality, how the hell them a people appear we fi cuss up and go and bad so and terrorize people and discriminate and call people like a name. How the hell? Then that the money they can good people. Una agree with me, put yes. If you not agree with me, put amen. This a money can't good. If you cannot pay a man for disrespect woman like how 300 and them the people talk about woman, cuss we like a dog, slandering, them tell lie. The money can't good. Me no want indulge just a money, yeah? Talk it truth. Talk it truth. This a money can't good. If you are going, you look at it now if some money can't good. Where the money come from a pay we? Where it come from? Where it come from a pay people so much money? Even though them show like a commercial and whatever it is. But you tell me, it's a catch. If you catch them soul. That's why me keep hold on to Jesus. Them now hold on to Jesus. Then could that cost me? You tell me, where in this world you're making money to tell people, to lie upon people? Where in this world you're calling people discrimination name? Where in this world you take people picture and put by your thumb drive, by your something and of course people gonna go on? Where are you getting paid? You know, see, you're getting paid. That's why I'm not indulging it, you know. Then who could come over? Them know my mouth, you know. Be telling you know, if I want to be a riot player, you know, me I telling you know, maybe a bitch for this place, you know. Me not ask you know. If I want to, if me want to come out here and walk and listen, if me want to come out and be a tiger, me not ask you. I can be nasty every day and make money from this place. You would have seen the amount of people because a drama I don't want and make you give the drama. Me not ask you no. Yes, if I want to be a tiger reg pie, but guess what? You see through me still a hold on Jesus? You see through me a hold on Jesus? That's why. You see through me a hold on Jesus said we. And that's why I'm going to take this Facebook business and this written to a different level. Me could have be a thorn in our house like a Lorraine over so. Because me have information with none of them no know. Me have paperwork with none of them no know. Me have voicemail with none of them never hear yet. So if I want to be a store up Facebook, me store up Facebook. But me ain't type of somebody. Me not come for that. So you look into it. Look into it, people. Where them get money from. And when you look at the black people, you know see how them change? Them change like a green lizard. Them change like a green lizard. You know see how them look? Look at the impression, look at the expression on their face. All of them we over here at the video. We show them face. Look at the expression on them face and look at Marcia. No, take a good look. On a serious note. Take a good look at the people with the blogging and show them face. Over here, where crucified people. Look at them. Even when me hungry and I'm cursing, me still look beautiful, said we. All when me angry, look at them when them get angry, or them body change into a witch. And look at them. Look at them look tired and old. And this is a general conversation. Me sure me call me then call no foul. Look how the man them look stressed out. Look when them now get little likes and share. Come on, give me little likes, give me a share. Share the back, cash up. Come on, man, give me a little share. You see me come over here pressure people for share and likes? Me will say, come on, like up something. I don't care. You want to like it. If you like me, agree with me. You see me over here doing something? You see, you know how much video me up on social media? I mean, I cut them up yet. Every minute me say me I cut them up and dash them on my page. People cut them up and me look, me say allow now with them over Instagram and Reel and all kind of something them. I'm like, oh no easy at all, no afraid for striking. You understand? So me I said to myself, look at how them behave. Look at how them behaving. Curly don't call that lady name and your where you can write about for? Me call any name I want to call. Me call any name I want to call. Your name mentioned. What? She don't want your name mentioned on her page. Then me ask a question. then for my name can't tap mention on my page. Fear name, if I want to call fear name, I call fear name. Me have the time for the big piece of buffalo there. Then make name for she too. Me can't chat anything. She name buffalo. It depend on her bread paper. Me name kakai. Me name this. Me name big head. Me name this. Me name so me depend on so me call any name. Them not say them make quote. Cause them not say them make name for those with them a chat. So if you watch chat. So if me want to call me, I call name. If you can't fit she wish business with she. Me no business with she. She don't have no importance, boy. After me don't want them name for my page either. Me tell people say don't call my name. And me said all that first all the time. Don't care no of them name over here. That's all. So no nothing. Me don't want if she come up in some subject, we not call her by her Facebook name them. Then give me whole heap of name, you know. Just so she get name too. She kept me she never put me don't want her name. Me don't want the body not supposed to go over there write my name, Panny. Me don't want none of them there girl call my name. That is it. But let's get back to serious important business. She's of no importance to me. She contribute nothing in my life. All she contribute in my life for the past 4 years is disrespect. Me is a troublemaker. You're damn lucky you can't have me a troublemaker. Well, if me a troublemaker, she's a disgrace. Because she come over here to take up for. But me is a troublemaker. If me is a troublemaker, Uno is a disgrace to the black society. Uno is a disgrace to human race. Uno is a disgrace to Martin Luther dream. I have a dream that one day black and white shall be together. Uno is a disgrace to the Jamaica motto. Out of many one people. Uno is a disgrace to the next one. We say, how did that one go? Mental, where say, emancipated. Uno emancipated. Uno sell from mental slavery. Uno still have mental slavery. No, Curly, a Lorian, me talking. She don't your name mentioned on her page. She don't want my name mentioned on her page. I don't know if Lorian want my name mentioned on her page. So no nothing. Me don't know sometime when I come over here with thing. If Lorena want my name mentioned on her page, Lorena have to get my name mentioned on her page. That's not a problem. Me not do Lorena nothing. So why Lorena says she don't want my name mentioned on her page? Because me not do Lorena nothing. She advised me about me chat her. You know, sometime when I come over here with something there, with fake page and whatever. So why would she say that? Why would she say she don't want my name mentioned on her page? But we're not supposed to go over there go tell her. Go write nothing. We're not go over there write up my name over on her page, huh? But me know social media stay already, you know. We don't love carry news. Anybody else here when that statement was made? Anybody here when a statement was made? Cause I saw on stay, you know. Uno love to carry news because uno know say Lorraine lick down things and me I lick down things. So uno want to feel like say uno want to come make trouble. Me know uno turn already. Me not do her nothing. So why would she say that? Why would she say that? I saw uno stay. Me know so uno stay, you know. Anybody will fight against uno God on social media. Anybody will fight against no God on social. But it don't really matter whoever don't want my name on their page. That's good enough in a call my name. That's all. That is it. That's it that make me no hello. Me no mind if they know them black and call my name, you know. I don't know what them call my name for. All it cost them dog rotten, drunk, or pick them up, we dump them in the shit house. I don't know where me no carry people them. And the people them still have a picture on them page. Them still a carry my name said where. Because guess what? I am their paycheck. I am important. That's why Christopher Martin do the dub plate for me. A long time I don't play my dub plate, you know. I'm a big deal. Marcia ever blessed is a big deal. I'm very important forever. Marcia ever blessed is a big deal. A long time I don't play my dub plate. Big up Christopher Martin. I'm mad, you know. You know, say from them the time them I hate me worse too, you know. Me say when them when me get me dub plate get from Martin, from Christopher Martin and the Angel. Me say he lit them backside. I must carry the selector for play for me one Saturday when me go a club. I must get the I must transfer it to my selector for when me walk in and play that and pull up one money upon him. I say you have to do select and promote you. Yes, me dear. A long time me no play it. You see true me no play the music in a long time. Wait until next week. Uh-huh. You soon hear it. You soon hear it, man. You soon hear me. You soon hear my dub plate cut too. Yes, me dear. You soon hear. No problem. Me tell you say make it.